Hey everyone, welcome back to Explodey FPS. Today we are looking at a quick fix for the TPM 2.0 and scare boot error in Valorant that pop up when you log into a friend's account. If you are only seeing this issue when switching accounts, not on your main one, then this video is for you. Here's the deal, guys. Basic reasons. Let me show you. Recently, I shared my account with my friend. Even though he was facing this error, your account doesn't meet the following requirement in order to play TPM 2.0. Enable. Secure boot. Enable. Even though he's not facing any kind of issue like this. But whenever he log in my account, he will face this issue. And that's the deal, guys. When you log into someone else's account, it can bring along certain security settings which can mess things up if you are on Windows 10. But don't worry. I will show you how to clear those settings so you can refresh everything and play games without any issue. So the best thing is what we are going to do here. First, you need to log in into that specific account where you are facing this issue, and then you need to do run, then type here, app data, and then click on OK. Once you are here, open this local folder and then find here Valorant. Just select any folder and press V. You will get here the Valorant folder. Just double tap on it. You will see here the saved folder in which all the configurations are available. Crashes, logs, telemetry, web cache are what you need to do here. Just open the valid folder, choose this, save, shift, delete, and then click on yes. But make sure it will also log out your account. So yeah, remember that and that your problem should be fixed. After trying this method, guys. Now once you have done this, restart your PC and log in your account. Once again, it will resolve your issue 100%. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.